If you use Microsoft Edge and you want a faster, cleaner, more private browsing experience, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable tracking prevention in Edge step by step, and I'll also explain the difference between basic, balanced, and strict, so you can choose the right level for your browsing needs. This is a simple privacy setting, but it can make a big difference in how much tracking happens while you browse the web. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three dots menu. This opens the main Edge menu where you can access all of your browser settings. From that menu, click Settings. Once the settings page opens, look at the left sidebar and click Privacy, Search, and Services. This is where Microsoft Edge keeps its privacy and security options, including tracking protection. Now scroll through the page until you find the tracking prevention section. In most versions of Edge, you'll see a toggle here. Make sure that tracking prevention is turned on. If it's off, click the switch to enable it. Once tracking prevention is enabled, you'll see the protection level options underneath. Edge usually gives you three choices: basic, balanced, and strict. Basic blocks only potentially harmful trackers, so this gives you the lightest level of protection and the least chance of website issues. Balanced is the recommended option for most users. It blocks trackers from sites you haven't visited, while still keeping many websites working properly. If you want stronger privacy, you can choose strict. Strict blocks most trackers across all sites, which can improve privacy even more, but it may occasionally break parts of websites like sign-ins, embedded videos, or shopping carts. If you're not sure which one to use, balanced is usually the best place to start. It gives you a solid mix of privacy and convenience, which is why Microsoft recommends it for most people. If you prefer maximum protection and don't mind adjusting a few sites when necessary, then strict may be a better choice. After selecting your preferred option, you can continue browsing as normal. Edge will now help reduce tracking activity in the background, which can help protect your privacy while you search, shop, stream, and browse online. It's also a good idea to revisit this setting later if you notice certain websites behaving strangely, because you can always lower the protection level if needed. And that's how you enable tracking prevention in Microsoft Edge. It only takes a few seconds, but it can improve your privacy every time you go online. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.